Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video for those that are on Windows 10 but the older versions, version 1803, 1709, and 1703, which equates to the April 2018 update or the Creators Update and Fall Creators Update. There's updates that were pushed yesterday, March 19, actually late in the day. A lot of you have seen these appear today, March 20th, 2019. Basically, bug fixes. If you have some issues with Windows 10 in these versions, maybe it will address one of those bugs that you might have. There's a lot of, it's a pretty big list of fixes in here. Nothing about security, so it's not a big rush, and if your computer works fine, you don't really need actually to have this. So it's not a big rush to install it, and if you don't want to install it now, they're actually going to install at some point when you get Patch Tuesday updates for security. These will be part of it anyways if you haven't done it. But if you do have some issues and some problems, check it out. Maybe it's going to fix one of the problems you might have or you might encounter in Windows 10. Like I said, it's a pretty big list of fixes that was released, so check it out. All you have to do is go to Windows Updates and check out for the cumulative update that will appear for your machines. Sorry, if you're on the latest version 1809 or the October 2018 update, you don't have any updates. They usually push these updates apart in a different Tuesday, so maybe next week you only have those updates. And the majority of you guys anyways are on these older versions, especially version 1803, which is the April 2018 update. The build numbers you see here is where you should be if the updates are applied. So that means on the April 2018 update you'll be at 17.134.677. To know this, all you have to do is go into the search box for Cortana and type WINVER, WinVer, and you'll see the Windows version, and you'll see what version you have: 1803, 1709, 1703. You'll see the build number. They should match here depending on what version you are. So if you are matched with these numbers, your updates are already applied. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.